Buenos días. La señora Vaz with your instructions for today's assignment. So let's move to the side. Okay. So for this assignment, the first thing you're going to do today is recuerda reportar tu asistencia aquí. Click right there, pause your video, click right there, and fill the form. Thank you. Okay. In this part of the chapter, para empezar, you're going to review about en la clase. You're going to learn about the Spanish alphabet sounds. Okay, so you're going to find your activities, but I put some things here that can help you. So the first thing I actually want you to do is to go to this right here and
B,
I want you to play the alphabet, listen to the sounds, repeat the sounds. You have the options to go slower, faster. You can repeat it. You can choose the voice.
C,
And I want you to repeat the sounds so you get familiar with those sounds. So that's the first thing I need you to do. If when you go to SpanishMinutes.com, that's where this alphabet link I gave you is requiring you a password or an username, here it is. So I put it there just in case that you need that. I'm not sure if you need it, but just in case. So it's right there. You may just be able to enter like I did. Okay, so that's the first thing you're gonna do. Why? Because you need that for your activities for today. So you have these two audios here. Your video that I'm recording right now is going to be here. And let's see what the activities for today are. So let's go to Sabbath. You have your first activity is just saying the alphabet. So you just need to open that, look at that. And then you have, you're going to probably see this page. Let me find it. Right there. So probably this is what you're going to find. I think you have the option to listen to them. But just in case, that's why I put the link right here. So you can listen to the sounds. So these are your activities on the book. So the first one is an audio activity. What you have to do is you have to open here, listen, and they're going to spell out words for you. These are words that must be familiar for you, words that we have been using. So let's hear. You
Uno,
hear to the
G,
sounds and you
U,
type.
S, T, O.
There you go.
G,
Double
U,
check.
S, T, O.
And you have 8 of those. So that's your first activity. They spell the words, you listen to the sounds, you type the sounds, and then you complete your 8 words. Okay, what's the next activity? Next activity is this one, the real talk. So I picked this one, and this is what I want you to do. Let's look at the modelo first.
¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo María. ¿Cómo se escribe María? Se escribe M-A-R-I, acento A.
Okay, so that's your example. So as usual, we are going to pretend that we are talking with somebody, but you are going to be student B. Okay, so I want you to say your name. For example, this is how I will record, and look at this, you have 3 attempts. This is how I will record mine. Okay, so let's see. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Claudia. ¿Cómo se escribe Claudia? Se escribe C-L-A-U-D-I-A. Claudia. And that's it. So I recorded mine, I like it, and I just click next and submit, and that'll be it. So you are going to use your real name. I didn't use my real name because it was too short. but you're gonna use your real name, okay? So I want you to spell out your name. Please be sure that you're spelling out your name or I won't count that point right. Okay, so that's it. You are going to the next one. The next one is very simple. You already work on this and you just need to answer a very simple question, okay? You already did this for your project, so that wouldn't be a big deal. And that will give you a point or 10 points, I'm not sure. And this is the last one. It's another audio. So what you are going to do in this one is you're going to listen to the words that in this case, if you know where the places are located, that will help. But you're going to listen to the words. You're going to listen how they pronounce them, and then you're going to type them. It is not easy, okay? But we need to start to take some challenges. Okay, let's hear the number one.
J18, Granada.
J18. Right here.
J18, Granada.
And the name is Granada. Granada.
2. J9, Madrid.
J9.
J9,
That would be number 2.
Madrid.
J9, number 2.
Tres.
Madrid. Okay, so
T6.
you find the cities with the description that they give you, the coordinates, and then you find it, and then you listen to the word, and that's the word that you're going to type here. Okay? So you are listening, you heard Granada, you heard Madrid, and you're going to hear 3 more cities in Spain. Okay? Let's try that one. Let's see how it goes. If you need help, you know you always need to be connected. I think that's the last, yeah, that's the last one. And I put the audio for that one right here too. So you need to connect during the class. So if you have questions, I can help you. If you need us to listen to the activity together, we can do it. But you need to connect to the class. And first of all, you're going to try to do it because we're taking challenges. And we'll see how that goes. I'll see you in class. Okay? Bye. Adios.